Okay, today we're looking at a certified 2015 Honda Pilot Touring. It's got 67,000 miles on it. It's white diamond in color. All right, it's a CARFAX One-Owner. We're going to walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it's got the turn signals and the side mirrors. The running boards down there. Sunroof, roof rack up there, or roof rails I should say. Driver's side of the Pilot's in good shape. It does have front and rear park assist, rear backup camera. All right, it is a four-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on the exterior of this Pilot. All right, it's a certified 2015. It's CARFAX One-Owner, 67,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have memory seats. Gray leather, power driver seat. Driver seat's in good shape. All right, it does have the sunroof and DVD. We'll show you the DVD player in just a second. All right, but it's got the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat leather's in good shape. Does have the middle console here with your power outlet. All right, and auxiliary and USB. A little storage right here. Your cup holders under there. It does have navigation. Okay, heated seats, dual climate controls and rear climate controls, CD player. All right, it even is four-wheel drive. There's your button there. All right, you're going to have your display screen right there with the backup camera and Navi, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 67,216 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the display screen here. All right, there's your Navi. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and then that beeping you hear is the rear park assist. The faster and quicker it beeps, the closer you're getting. All right, got your display here for the radio. Once again, it's got the heated seats. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. It's got the sunshades back here. Carpet back here is in good shape. All right. Does have your rear climate control back here with the power outlet, and then your DVD player. Back seat leather is in good shape. It does have the center console that comes down with the cup holders there, and it is also equipped with third row seating, and the third row seats are in fantastic shape, not a wrinkle in the leather there. Alright, let me go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, we'll take a look in the back. Carpet back here looks good. Got a convenient power outlet here. All right, and these seats do go down, and that's what's really going to open up the space back here for you. When the third row is up, it really cuts into the space, but you can see how much it opens it up there with that third row down. All right, power lift gate. Simply press the button. Nice and smooth coming down. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Got the nice gray trim in behind. Brand new set of tires. All right, plenty of tread lift on them. All right, once again, we got a certified 2015 Honda Pilot Touring, 67,000 miles on it, white diamond in color. This thing's well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.